And so, I mean, when you were in industry, you had kind of a complaint that, uh, hey, the folks we can't find the right talent. We can't, like, we have to train them internally to kind of get them up to speed. How has that shaped your own, thinking, teaching as you train kind of the next generation of students, of workers related to manufacturing, additive manufacturing? Like, what are you seeing kind of on the ground there? Is there an interest in these careers? Are companies asking you every day to, like, hey, like, we need more people? Like, what are you seeing kind of December 2022 as kind of the landscape in terms of teaching and workforce, and as it relates to additive?
One of the major challenges I see for additive industries in general is recruiting people or training the current workforce, correct? That's why, in fact, ASTM came up with this training program that tries to basically train the current workforce. They have interest in additive or their organization is adopting the technology. We are involved in some of those activities, but specifically on campus, of course, we try to graduate students with deep understanding of additive process and potential applications. I believe the market is very hot for those graduates. I mean, very often we have tours at our center from different government agencies or private industries. And what I need to make sure is they're not offering my students. So I need to tell my students, you need to graduate first. So they're ready to even offer them right there and encourage them to apply for their positions.
And is this at both the graduate level and the undergraduate level?
Well, I'm mostly involved with graduate
Okay.
level because we are a research group, correct? We have right now the total number of graduate students, including mine and other faculty involved at the center, we are around 35. Uh, Mostly doctorate students, some master students, they're working at the center. When it comes to undergrad, that's interesting. I get email from certain companies and they say, oh, I'm not going to mention the company for a certain company. And I took fatigue course, or I took machine design with you, or I work in your center over the summer and we have some additive projects. Will you be able to help us? So I see even undergraduate students now working in the industry, a lot of them are becoming involved with additive processes.